Today we got the Jeep Cherokee XJ 4x4, changing it up a little bit. No sports cars for you guys today. A little bit of a off-road utility vehicle right here. This is my first Cherokee. Not a Grand Cherokee. I've had SRTA Jeeps, and you can see those on my channel, but this is my first XJ Cherokee. This is the country edition. Country vibes going on, but yeah, this is it. 1996 Jeep Cherokee XJ 4x4. A few modifications, I'll go over them with you guys, but yeah, let's see how this one goes. Let's see. Some of you viewers are thinking about buying the XJ. Maybe you have one, just looking at XJ videos, but I'll give you guys my review, my thoughts, what I think about this Jeep. But honestly, so far, pretty satisfied with my purchase. Alright, first things first, you got your 4.0 6-cylinder high output engine. I don't know the engine code on these trucks. I don't know anything about the transmission or engines. I'm barely getting into these Jeeps, so I can't really give you that info. But it's kind of messy under here. Needs a good detail, cleaning up on some wires and hoses. But pretty cool. A little bit of a gas guzzler to me with the oversized tires, but it's a pretty cool little truck, running good. Heavy, really heavy hood. These hoods are heavy as hell. I don't know how it's so heavy, it's so small. Got your aftermarket winch ready bumper. You got your LEDs in the front. It's sitting on I think they're the Bilstein shocks. Get a better look. Bilstein shocks with the rough country lift kit. Replaced control arms. Thinking about respraying it red with black on the bottom, but if you guys have some better ideas or cool ideas, drop a comment down below. If I like your paint idea, I'll paint it that color and I'll give you a shout out in the video. But yeah, let me know some of your paint ideas. So here for the interior, you got your like old school style pull for the headlights. Old school style gauges, even though this is a 96. Damn. But it's a Jeep. Aftermarket stereo. Got your 4-wheel drive. Had to hook up some fans right here, because these Jeeps are known for getting hot going up hills. That's a pretty common issue, but it keeps it pretty cool. Then you got your LED light switches. Let's see if those turn on. Yeah, you got your pod lights, and then you got your front bumper lights. Those are pretty cool. Up on top, we have a custom fabricated. It's not like a brand or anything. It's like a custom fabricated. Alright, up on top we got the custom fabricated roof rack. This isn't like something you can buy. Previous owner made it. It's pretty cool though. Looks dope. Could probably hold some stuff on here. Can't complain. And then it looks like this is factory smoked glass. I tried to look at it. I didn't know that Jeeps came with factory smoked glass. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's definitely not a tint. That's cool. That's a nice touch. Pretty cool little back seat. This back seat lifts up and you have like storage underneath, which is pretty cool. You could put things under there. Let's check out the back. So you got your push button right here to open your tailgate. Oh, but it's locked. Hold on. There you go. If you're gonna buy one of these Jeeps, get used to seeing these dials. Unlock. Boom. Come around the back, push your button to open your tailgate, opens right up. In the back we got a full-size spare, and if I hang on to this Jeep, I plan on detailing, taking all this stuff off, cleaning it up, maybe respray the vinyl, respray the interior somehow, but it's more of like a project truck. Got the tow package. I don't know what that is rated up to. And then you got the shocks in the rear, the the Bilstein shocks in the rear. Then you got some aftermarket leaf springs to give it a 3-inch lift. Honestly, like inside, it's a little tight, but if you're not like a big dude or a big girl, then it's pretty comfy. I prefer like smaller cockpits. I just feel like more I feel like I can reach everything easily and I'm snug, but it's pretty cool. Little party vehicle. Got the LED lights for some romantic scenarios. But my honest review of the truck, of owning it for a few days now and driving it around the city, it's pretty cool. It's not a big SUV, it's pretty small. I like the size of it, and they're not that expensive right now. Thanks for checking out this video on my 1996 Jeep Cherokee XJ Country Edition. And yeah, be ready to see more of this truck on my channel. Might make this one of my YouTube channel vehicles, so dedicated to my channel, for my channel, and do like reviews on like repairs or maintenance that I do, and do maybe some tutorials on the paint. Stay tuned for other vehicles on my channel and other content. Thanks for watching, guys.